that the million-dollar question, what's for dinner? When I talk with people, one of the biggest things they say is a struggle is they just don't know what to eat. Well, I'll be the first to admit, I'm not a big cook, I'm not a fan of cooking, and there are some simple things though that you can do. So right here, the crock pot. This is 3 ingredients that we've got in here, super, super simple. Too bad you can't smell it and taste it too. But all this was a jar of pasta sauce, some chicken breasts, and then cut up some bell peppers. I call it simple Italian chicken, and you can sprinkle cheese on if you decide to do so. It's that easy, and then you just put it in the crock pot, and then, you know, depending on how your crock pot works, 6 to 8 hours later, you've got chicken ready to go to eat. It tastes good. My kids just got done eating it. You can make it in bulk, so that way you can have it for the next day too. So meal prepping and making food doesn't have to be complicated, and you can cut your time down. You can make it in bulk. It can still taste good. Food should taste good. You should enjoy it. You shouldn't be restricting it. So make it like the kitchen sink. If there's other ingredients that you like, just throw it in there. Because a crock pot's like magic, right? When you're done with it, it just tastes amazing. Everything's so soft. So I just wanted to share with you, this is 3 simple ingredients that we put in the crock pot right here, ready to go. So if you have a favorite crock pot recipe or simple recipe, share it below with us, because I know there's lots of people out there. They're busy, they've got families, they've got careers, they're on the go all the time, and everybody's always looking for quick and easy ways to meal prep so that we're eating good, nourishing foods to fuel our body. All right, I would love to hear from you. Oh, and by the way, I do have a free private group where I share a daily dose of inspiration, motivation, and more tips and tricks, workouts, recipes, and more. So make sure you click on the link and join that group, and I'd love to connect with you there. So have a great one, and happy meal prepping.